we're going to try and build this on the carpet and race the car a little bit. And then we're going to test it over the weekend and see who at the end has the fastest car. Cars are not running in the correct direction. Your car is not running in the correct direction. So it depends what type of car he's going to choose, but the goal, whatever you choose now, might either be the winning car or the losing car. Some batteries. Then, yeah. Nope, not that one. Here we go. Have all the spare parts. Need some help? Let me come, I'll help you. So that's this done. Yes. So you need.
So I need.
Actually,
red,
it's not that big.
red.
You do the blue.
I do the blue.
I do the red.
You know, these parts are like overlocking on point. Like they should go through this gap.
Okay.
These.
Thanks, son. I'll be very careful. These side clips that you put it in, and then the instructions show you exactly like what you have here on the box. And then they're 2 level lanes, but I think you can be able to extend them and maybe even add a up or down. How are we going to choose which car is yours? Rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's what I see. So first pick the winner. Oh. The winner gets first pick.
Okay. Rock.
Okay.
How many are we doing?
No. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I get first pick.
You go for that?
Yeah,
I go for this. Okay, cool. I go for this. This will be our bonus pick. At the back here, they have a lock. You have to take out this back part.
Oh, you just have to twist it.
Yeah, you just have to twist it. And then we put, so that people can see what you're doing, we gotta think about the people who are watching, right? It's quite a simple system. You have the batteries that you put in, you have the motor, and then you have the wheels. Damn, that whole thing came out on me. You can push it out a bit, and then you put on the other one.
Put on this.
The second one.
I push this back in, and then I take this one out.
Oh, you have taken plus the bearing.
I take it also the bearing out.
Right.
How does that work?
Yeah, now like that. And then we're going to put just a bit like that. We close this. Now both your wheels are lubricated. You have to make sure they're in the right position. We have the bearings, we have some wheels, we have extra wheels, we have racing motors. They're tuned so they go faster. We have a whole kit that we found that you can add to the front. Put it in like that, and then you rotate, and then it removes the cog that's in there. I have the cover, I have the AA batteries. We've lubricated the wheels. Now all I have to do is close it at the back, the front engages, and there you have it. You have your mini 4-wheel drive.
My strategy is that there's a really high part, so I don't want my car to like fly off.
Or like flip over, right?
Flip over. So it would be kind of convenient that it's a very big model.
Yeah.
Unlike his, which is really cut through the wind.
Yes. True.
So also it looks really cool. So yeah.
Should we switch it on just to show them how
powerful?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
Oh Lord, what's happening to you? Go. Oh. Okay, that one is a total fail.
Ow.
Total fail.
And it's getting slow.
The whole thing fell off. Let's see.
Yeah, that's good speed.
It's good speed.
Good speed.
It kind of feels.
The other one's faster.
It feels slow.
Isn't that good?
And
The
this
other
one,
one was
mine
like,
was. We have to go to lobby and look for like the leads and stuff, right? The monster truck.
it's
Put
not
yours. Put your.
monster.
Put yours.
Bruh.
The monster truck versus this one. My previous one was too light, so
Way too light.
way too light, so it
And
kept
too
on
fast.
flying out. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, much better. Did I reach you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're pushing me.
It's neck and neck. Neck and neck. Julian is too slow. So how will I pass you? No. How would you do that? That's so unfair. Oh man. So much fun. Why has it stopped? I'm on you again.
Yes.
This time if you knock me out, you're slowing down. Uh-oh. I think we need to learn about the rules. Maybe if you reach to that point, then we stop. And then we put them on again here. Put yours, put mine. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Mine is so slow.
Was such a fun thing to be able to tinkle around with it and get like the maximum speed. So just switch it off. There we go. And the other one. Be able to customize the wheels. You can add this weight at the back. You can also add this for the side, just in case it hits one of this side, then it's able to go round. So that one helps it to go round. On the other hand, you can have a truck like this. Also, it's equipped with the side thing to make it go round. It's much more heavier, but you can add more weights to it. And then you can have the motor, like have a faster motor. So this is the normal motor. And then you can be able to add something like this that's customized. So it's a tuned pro motor, so it goes much faster. And then you can add the shaft. I have a bit of a flu, so I hope you don't mind. You can add the bearings, and then the bearings also will improve depending on what type of bearings you get. One of the cheapest entry of, we say, RC that you can be able to have fun with. The truck I'll add a link to where I got this, how much I got it for. That's at 216 by 120. So it fits a carpet. So at home you can be able to fit it. 216 by 120. I would not recommend it for babies. Probably I would say 7 plus. Or even now it's when Julian is getting it. I bought it before and tried to set it up a couple of years ago, and he never got the plan of it. But now you can see he's sort of understanding the mathematics behind it and how to do and what to do with it. So maybe 8 or 9. So it's such a simple. It cost me around 400 bucks, not even less than that, or 1,000 bucks for the body. I will go to Labby today and then I show you. Then I'll do a video on that, and then you can be able to see what type of parts I can be able to get, and then what you can be able to customize, and what you can be able to build, and then we're going to see. So I really enjoyed that one, and it's nice. The first video, something interesting, something fun, something to enjoy, and then in the process we're going to do a bit more. I have so many projects behind me, so every one of them has to be fixed, done, built. So we're going to just go through them slowly. Well, that was a nice one. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.